Are you seeing a warning in your YouTube studio that your channel will be suspended from the YouTube Partner Program and YouTube is asking you to submit an appeal video? Don't panic. I've got your back. I've actually gone through this process because I've received a notification, a warning from YouTube that my channel is going to be suspended from the YouTube Partner Program if I don't make an appeal. So what I did was to appeal, and the appeal was successful. Then after that, my channel was no longer suspended from the YouTube Partner Program. So if you opened your YouTube studio and you saw a message saying, just like you can see on the screen, your channel will be suspended from the YouTube Partner Program on so date if you don't appeal, don't panic at all. You still have a chance to fix it. So in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process right on your phone on how you're going to go about everything, how to record the appeal video, how to upload it as unlisted, how to paste the link inside the appeal form, and also how to send it to YouTube for review. I'm going to show you guys all of this, so just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So guys, let me start by showing you guys the email that I got. I first saw the email before any other thing. The email I got from YouTube, you can see it right here. It says action needed. Your YouTube channel will be suspended from YouTube Partner Program on so date. You can see the email right there. It says, hi Chitek, we noticed some issues with your channel. We found that a portion of your channel may not be in line with our YouTube channel monetization policies. Reviewers feedback. Policy, reused content. Policy description, content is not clearly an original creation of this channel. It says learn more. That's the link, but let me continue reading. It says your channel is still earning, but you will be suspended from YPP, which is YouTube Partner Program, on November 28, 2025 if we don't receive more information. We would like to offer you an opportunity to appeal without any interruption to your monetization for the next 7 days. Once your channel is suspended, you won't be able to monetize and you will lose access to monetization tools and features. What you need to do now, go to the end page in YouTube Studio and review the issues with your channel. To appeal this decision, create a video providing additional information about your channel. Then the link right there, learn more. Sincerely, thanks YouTube team. So guys, the information we need to get from this email is that our channel is going to be demonetized in the next 7 days if we don't make an appeal, and that we can resolve this by going over to the end page in the YouTube studio. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to the YouTube studio. I have the YouTube studio app, so that's what I'm going to be using in this video tutorial. So let me go over to the YouTube studio app right away. So guys, right here is the YouTube studio app, and from the email they say we should go over to the end page. So let me tap on N. You can see the monetization icon down there. Let me tap on it. Then right here it says your YouTube partner. So this to confirm that my YouTube channel has not yet been suspended. Then you can see the notification right here is also here in this YouTube studio. It says your channel will be suspended from the YouTube Partner Program on that date right there if you don't appeal. So let me quickly tap on learn more. You can see learn more there. Let me tap on it. So guys, now this is where you're going to get all the information about this appeal, the appeal that we want to do. So let me get to read it from start to end. It says appeal a YouTube Partner Program suspension or application rejection. If you believe that your channel was incorrectly suspended from YouTube Partner Program, or that your application to join the YouTube Partner Program was rejected incorrectly, you have the option to appeal. You may be able to appeal either by creating or submitting a video appeal or contacting the creator support within the YouTube studio. After submitting your appeal, our teams will respond within 14 days with a decision. If your appeal is successful, we will either approve or reapprove your channel for the YouTube Partner Program within 30 days. If your appeal is rejected, your channel will be suspended from the YouTube Partner Program. You cannot submit another appeal, but you can reapply to the YouTube Partner Program 90 days after your suspension. You can choose not to submit an appeal within 7 days. If you do not submit an appeal within 7 days, your channel will be suspended and you will lose access to monetization tools and features. Since you didn't submit an appeal before suspension, you have the option to submit an appeal within 21 days of your suspension. If you submit your appeal within 21 days of suspension, our team will respond within 14 days with a decision. If your appeal is successful, we will readmit you into the YouTube Partner Program within 30 days. If your appeal is rejected, you can reapply to the YouTube Partner Program 90 days after your suspension date. When we review appeals, your channel will be assessed in its current state. This means you shouldn't delete videos before submitting your appeal. Important: If you have been notified that your channel is scheduled for suspension and invited to submit info to prevent suspension, you must submit your appeal within 7 days. This date is also shown in YouTube Studio in your channel's monetization overview next to the Start Appeal button. Secondly, if you have already been suspended, you must submit your appeal within 21 days of suspension. This date is also shown in the YouTube Studio in your channel's monetization overview next to the Start Appeal button. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to read all of this. Let me go back now to the YouTube Studio. So right now we are back to the end page in the YouTube Studio app. So the next step I have to take now is to go ahead now to appeal. So I can do that now by tapping on where you can see appeal. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. Then here's the next step. It says submit an appeal. Your channel will be suspended from YPP unless you appeal by 28 November. So let me continue reading. It says, what happened? After reviewing your channel, we found that your channel is not in line with YouTube's monetization policies. Then the reviewers' feedback, they said, is reused content. Let me continue reading. It says, here is what you can do. Share more information about your channel. If you think that we have made a mistake, submit an appeal video providing more information about your channel. We will review your video and get back to you with a decision within 14 days. Your channel will not be suspended during this time. Please do not delete any videos after receiving this notification if you intend to appeal. Then it says learn more. You can tap on it to learn more. Let me continue reading. It says your video will be reviewed by the YouTube team. You cannot appeal again if you are suspended after this review. However, you can still reapply to the YouTube partner program after 90 days. So guys, I believe you're understanding what I'm saying. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to tap on Start Appeal. But before I go ahead now to tap on it, let me get to tap on where you can see reused content, so we get to know what it's about. Let me tap on it real quick. Then right here it says policy details. So let's get to see what reused content is all about. This is the reason why they actually want to suspend our account. So let me read through. It says reused content. Content is not clearly an original creation of this channel and may have been repurposed from another source without adding significant original commentary, substantive modifications, or educational or entertainment value. So guys, you can see the do right there. They say examples of what is allowed to monetize. The first one is a funny or thoughtful revision of content that you didn't originally create. The second one there is clips of other people's content as part of a critical review. The third one is a scene from a movie where you have rewritten the dialogue and changed the voiceover. Then the fourth one there is replays of a sports tournament where you explain what a competitor did to succeed or fail. The fifth one there is reaction videos where you comment on the original video. Then lastly, edited footage from other creators where you add a storyline or commentary. So guys can see these are examples of what is allowed. So let me go over to examples of what is not allowed. You can see it right there. It says short videos that you compared from other social media websites. The second one there is collections of songs from different artists even if you have their permission. The third one is clips of moments from your favorite shows edited together with little or no narrative. The fourth one is content uploaded many times by other creators. Then the last one there is promotion of other people's content even if you have their permission. So guys can see these are examples of what is not allowed to be monetized. So what I'm going to do now is to go back now. Then let me go ahead now to tap on where you can see Start Appeal. So let me tap on it right away. Then right here is the next step. It says submit an appeal. If you believe that the decision was a mistake, submit an appeal. Bear in mind that we won't be able to review your appeal if you delete any video after you receive your channel review decision. Then let me continue reading. It says, what if I need to make significant changes to my channel, like deleting videos? Let me tap on that question mark icon. You can see it says needs to make a change. That means it's asking you a question. Do you want to make a change on your channel? Then it says there appeal are not for you. So if you want to make any changes like deleting videos, then this appeal is not for you. So if you want to make this appeal, make sure you've not deleted any video before submitting the appeal. So guys, let me just read through. It says appeal are not for you. To have the best chances of being reaccepted into the YouTube partner program, you should make the necessary changes to your channel and reapply in 30 days. So what this means is that if your channel has reused content, the only chance for you to be accepted is if you make changes by deleting. But if you want to use this appeal format, deleting a video will not give you the opportunity for them to review your appeal. So make sure you've not deleted any video. So let me go ahead now to tap on close. So let me continue. It says right there instructions. So these are the instructions that you need to follow to make your video. It says create a video for your appeal. To help make sure that our team can review your video, follow these guidelines. The first instruction there is film your video in a supported language. So you can tap on the link right there to see the language that are supported. The second one there is keep your video under 5 minutes. So your video should not be more than 5 minutes. The third one there is show or mention your channel's URL within the first 30 seconds. So within the first 30 seconds, make sure your channel link or URL is being displayed on the screen. And the last one there, it says mention the reviewer's feedback and tell us why it's a mistake. The reviewer's feedback in this case is reused content. So you have to mention that in your video. Then they say talk about your whole channel, not just the videos that follow our policy. So talk about almost all the videos that in your channel, just mention. So you have to talk about the different kinds of videos that you make in your channel, just mention them. Then the next one there is, it says provide visual examples of how you create your videos, including how you film and edit them. So you have to show them the editing app that you use, the filming app or the video screen recording app that you use, and the rest of them. Then the next one there, it says explain how you come up with ideas for your videos. You have to explain how you come up with content ideas. Then the last one there is show your production process, including any scripts, special editing techniques or narratives. So guys, you have to show all of this. So the good thing I'm going to do for you guys is to give you guys access to my appeal video, the video that I used to appeal. And so the good thing I'm going to do for you guys is to give you guys access to my appeal video, the video that I used to appeal. You guys will be able to watch it and learn from it. You're going to see how I did my video. You're going to hear the things I said. Remember, my appeal video was accepted and it was successful, so my channel was not suspended. So if you can be able to follow how I did my video, you stand a chance of removing the suspension from your channel. You stand a chance of being successful. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to leave the link in my description. So just go over to the description of this video. You will see the link that will direct you to my appeal video. Tap on the link. They'll be able to watch and learn and see how I did my video, and you'll be able to replicate it for your own channel so that this suspension will not be meted on your channel. And also, I'm going to leave video links right there in the description of this video, which is going to include a video that will show you how to upload your video as unlisted, because that's one of the criteria. You have to upload your video as unlisted. You have to upload the appeal video as unlisted. So let me continue with the second stage of this instruction. It says right there, submit your appeal by the date. Then it says after creating a video of your appeal, upload it to your channel as unlisted. So guys, I've said that. Let me continue reading. It says then paste the video URL below. You have to copy the appeal video link and paste it right there in the provided space. So what I need to do now is to go over to the video section, the content section, where I'm going to find all my videos. Then I have to look for the appeal video. Then the next step I have to take is to copy the link of the appeal video. So that is simply what I need to do. So let me go now to the video section. Then let me go ahead now to tap on where you can see content. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it. Then what I will do now is to go ahead now to tap on where you can see visibility. You can see visibility right there at the top. Then what I'm going to do now is to select unlisted, because the appeal video is unlisted. So let me tap on it. Then let me tap on apply down there. You can see apply. So guys can see these are the videos that I uploaded as unlisted on my YouTube channel, and you can see the appeal video right there written YouTube monetization appeal video. So let me tap on it right away to open it. So guys, now you can see the video is on unlisted. The video has been set to unlisted. So now for me to copy this link, what I need to do now is to go ahead now to tap on where you can see the share button. You can see the share button right there at the top. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. Let me tap on it real quick. Then for most of you, you're going to see copy link right there. You're going to see the copy link icon, but since I don't have the copy link icon, let me just share it to my WhatsApp account. Let me tap on WhatsApp. Let me just share it so I can copy the link from there. Then let me select me. So guys, now you can see the video link right there, the appeal video link. So let me highlight it. Then let me go ahead now to copy it. You can see copy there. Let me tap on copy to copy it. So guys, now I'll be able to copy the appeal link. So let me go back now to the YouTube studio. Then let me go over to the appeal form where I can paste the link. Let me go over to the end page, the end section. Let me tap on it. So guys, I'm back here now. So what I need to do now is to paste the link. So let me tap on that place. Then let me paste it real quick. You can see I've pasted the link. Now the next step now is to tick those boxes down there. You can see what is written there. It says Please confirm. So let me tick the first box. The first box says I understand that I should not delete this appeal video in the future. Then let me tick the second box. It says I understand that if I submit an appeal for this suspension, I cannot appeal again. So I've ticked the two box. So what I'll need to do next is to tap on submit. You can see submit down there. So let me tap on submit. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see we now have a new notification right there at the top. It says your appeal was submitted on the 24th of November 2025. We are reviewing your channel against YouTube monetization policies. So guys, now what I will have to do now is to wait for me to get a feedback from the YouTube team. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to wait patiently for them to give me feedback. So we have to wait for 14 days. So let me close YouTube Studio. So guys, in less than 48 hours, I got a response from the YouTube team. My appeal was accepted and successful. So let me go over to my Gmail app now to show you guys the email that I got from YouTube. So let me tap on my Gmail app to open it real quick. So guys, I've seen it right there at the top. So let me tap on it. You can see my Gmail app is opening. So guys, right there is the email that I got from the YouTube team. You can see it right there at the top. I just received it some minutes ago. So let me go ahead now to tap on it to open it up. So guys, here's the email. It says your appeal was successful. Your channel will continue monetizing. So let me go ahead now to read the body of the email. You can see down there it says, hi Chitek, we're happy to share that your YouTube partner program appeal was successful and your channel can continue to monetize. Our team carefully reviewed both your content and your video appeal. Your appeal helped us to better understand how you create your videos, your content strategy, and your channel's brand. Thanks for submitting an appeal and for your patience while we reviewed it. We realized this was extra work for you and we appreciate your help in improving our review processes. Please do not delete your appeal video. We will continue to reference it when reviewing your channel in the future. Thanks, the YouTube team. So guys, this was how I was able to avoid my channel being suspended from the YouTube partner program. So my appeal was successful. This was how it went through. So guys, I believe this video was helpful to you. Just follow through how I did mine, then you'll be able to successfully make your appeal and your channel will not be suspended. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.